Hey guys, well, I've been traveling for about a month. As you can see, I'm living out of a suitcase. Here's where I'm staying tonight. So it's been a lot of fun, guys, but this is coming to an end. So by the time this airs, I'm going to be in the boat on the water looking for pre-spawn walleye. It's almost March. As you know, March and April is the walleye time, right? The spawn is going strong. The first part of April, clear through April, is generally pretty good. Pre-spawn is that early to mid-March, and as this thing airs, I'm going to be on the water looking for those pre-spawn walleyes. So if you want to get in on these things, guys, I've already got a lot of trips booked from guys that went last year. So I'm looking forward to seeing you guys again and seeing some new people. So give me a call, 316-295-6372, if you want in on pre-spawn or spawn walleye. Hi, how's it going?
Good, how you doing?
Good. Nice. All right, we're checked in. During the spawn, we can either do night fishing trips, pitch black dark, or we can go through it during the day. They do stage, not all fish spawn at the exact same time. So it is possible to catch walleye during the day as well during the spawn. So if you want to get in on these, like I said, a lot of people that went last year already called and booked this year. So if you want in on these, give me a call, 316-295-6372. Check out the website, ksoutdoorsports.com. These are some from last year. Check these out. If you enjoyed the video, smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. More content coming real soon. See ya.